Welcome to Craft Time at Houston Public Library. I'm Miss Leona and we're making mosaic craft. This craft is intended for ages 3 and up. And all you're going to need is a large piece of paper, some small colored paper squares or other shapes, and some glue. And that's all you need. All right, let's get started. Let's make a design. Let's see if we're gonna have some squares, so let's make a triangle. And then we can put some mosaic in here and we can use whatever colors you want. The thing I like about this is that it's whatever you want to do. I'm going to put some glue down. And let's make a row of green. The squares don't even have to be the same color if you don't, or the same size if you don't want. Okay, so I'm going to do a row of green, and let's do a row of orange. Okay, good. All right. This one, if I don't want, I can have it stick out just a little bit too. I can even change out, so I can have some pink and orange and yellow on the next one. I think I still have enough glue on there. Oopsie. There we go. And you can make your little thing. And then even if you want, you can make like a little tree if you want. And then you could even put some shapes down here. What you're doing is you're making a mosaic where you're designing it yourself and using paper for the color, which makes it really fun. Okay, so this is just a start, and I'll fill it in, and I can add some more pictures, some more things on there. I can even use magazine pictures if I want. Just get ones with the same color palette, and you can make a mosaic with that. You can see this one is round, but I made it where it wasn't in a row, and then I added some sparkly ones, triangles, to make it look like a little bit of a sun. This one, I made the design and then I made longer rows. You can see you can do whatever you want to make your mosaic.